What if the universe could tell you when someone misses you? Believe it or not, there are signs all around that can give you a clue. In this video, we'll explore 7 subtle signals that might mean someone is thinking about you, even when they're not around. From those vivid dreams to unexpected feelings, these signs can help you understand the connections you have with others on a whole new level. Stick around to see if you've experienced any of these signs and find out what they could mean for you. 1. Vivid dreams. Ever wake up from a dream that felt so real? It's like the person was right there with you. That's not just your imagination running wild. It could be a sign that someone is missing you. When someone has strong feelings for you, they can show up in your dreams, making them vivid and emotionally charged. It's almost like your mind is trying to connect the dots between you and that person, even when you're asleep. These dreams can leave you with a lingering sense of their presence, almost like they're reaching out to you from afar. You might feel their emotions or sense their thoughts in a way that feels incredibly real. It's as if your subconscious is working overtime to bridge the distance between you. So the next time you wake up from a dream that feels unusually intense and connected to someone, take it as a sign. They might be thinking about you just as much as you're thinking about them. It's the universe's way of keeping the bond between you alive, even in your sleep. 2. Frequent thoughts. Sometimes someone just keeps popping into your thoughts, no matter what you're doing. It's like they've taken up space in your mind, and no matter how much you try to focus on something else, they're always there. This might not be a random occurrence. When you find yourself constantly thinking about someone, it could be because they're thinking about you too. There's an unseen connection between you both that keeps pulling your thoughts toward each other. This connection can be so strong that it becomes hard to ignore. You might find yourself lost in thought about them at unexpected moments, curious about what they're up to or how they're feeling. It's almost as if the universe is trying to get your attention, reminding you of this bond. So if someone is always on your mind, take it as a sign that there might be something more going on. A connection that's worth recognizing. 3. Random encounters. You know those moments when you bump into someone you haven't seen in ages, or suddenly hear their name in a conversation out of the blue. It might feel like a coincidence, but it could be more than that. These unexpected encounters can be the universe's way of nudging you, reminding you that someone is thinking about you and missing your presence. It's like the world has a way of bringing people back into your orbit just when they're on your mind, or maybe when you're on theirs. These little synchronicities, as some call them, are often more than just random events. They're subtle hints that there's still a connection between you and that person, even if you haven't been in touch for a while. So, the next time you run into someone unexpectedly, or their name keeps popping up in conversations, pay attention. It might be the universe trying to tell you that this person is still an important part of your life, and that they miss you just as much as you might be missing them. 4. Emotional waves. Have you ever been hit by a sudden wave of emotion that seems to come out of nowhere? One moment you're fine, and the next, you're feeling a strong sense of sadness or longing without any clear reason. These unexpected emotions might not just be your own. They could be a sign that someone is missing you deeply. It's like their feelings are reaching out to you, creating an invisible connection that you can feel even from a distance. This emotional resonance between you and someone else can be powerful. It's as if their longing or sadness is so strong that it crosses the space between you, making you feel what they're experiencing. These moments might catch you off guard, but they're worth paying attention to. They can be a subtle reminder that you're on someone's mind, even if you're miles apart. So, the next time you feel a sudden surge of emotion that doesn't seem to have an obvious cause, consider that it might be someone else's feelings connecting with yours, letting you know they're thinking about you. 5. Physical sensations. Sometimes, out of nowhere, you might feel a sudden chill, get goosebumps, or experience a warm sensation in your heart. These physical sensations can be more than just random occurrences. They might be signals that someone is thinking about you. Even though these feelings are often subtle, they can be powerful indicators of a deep connection between you and another person. These sensations can happen at the most unexpected times, catching you off guard. Maybe you're just going about your day, and suddenly you feel a shiver run down your spine or a warm, comforting feeling in your chest. It's as if someone's thoughts are reaching out to you, making their presence known even when they're not physically there. Pay attention to these moments. They might be the universe's way of letting you know that you're on someone's mind, that the bond between you is strong enough to be felt even through these small physical signs. It's a gentle reminder that connection doesn't always need words. It can be felt in ways that go beyond the ordinary. 6. Finding their belongings. Every now and then, you might stumble upon something that instantly brings someone to mind. A forgotten piece of clothing, a gift they gave you, or a memento from a moment you shared together. These items have a way of showing up just when you need a reminder of that person, almost like they're trying to reach out to you through these objects. It's not just about the physical item, it's about the memories and emotions tied to it. Finding these belongings can feel like a gentle nudge from the universe, letting you know that the bond you share with this person is still very much alive. These moments can stir up feelings of nostalgia, warmth, or even a bit of longing, reminding you of the connection that still exists between you. So, when you come across something that instantly makes you think of someone, take it as a sign. It's a small but meaningful reminder that they might be missing you just as much as you've been thinking about them. These little discoveries are more than coincidences. They're the universe's way of keeping that connection alive. 7. Intuitive feelings. There are moments when you simply feel it in your gut. You just know that someone is missing you. It's not something you can easily explain, but that sense of knowing is there, strong and undeniable. This kind of intuition often comes without warning, a subtle yet powerful feeling that someone somewhere is thinking about you. Your intuition is a remarkable thing. It picks up on things that your conscious mind might not notice, guiding you through emotions and connections that are hard to put into words. When you get that feeling in your gut, it's worth paying attention to. It's the universe's way of communicating with you, helping you recognize the signs that someone is holding you close in their thoughts. Trusting these intuitive moments can lead you to a deeper understanding of the connections you share with others. It's a reminder that even when words aren't spoken, there are other ways to feel and acknowledge the bond you have with someone. That quiet, knowing feeling is a sign to listen to what your heart is telling you. Remember, these signs are the universe's way of reminding you that someone is thinking about you. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to subscribe to elevate your life for more tips on understanding the connections around you. Like the video, share your experiences in the comments, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Let's keep exploring life's mysteries together.